In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Pipedrive. Now, if you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep your communications consistent, creating a template in Pipedrive is a great way to start. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you can follow along and have it set up in no time. Let's begin by going to the Pipedrive website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Sales CRM and Pipeline Management software, which is Pipedrive's homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up before proceeding. Otherwise, let's move on to logging in. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, then press Enter to access your Pipedrive account. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Pipedrive home, which acts as your dashboard. This is where you can access all the major features of Pipedrive. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a template, which you'll do through the Composer feature in the Sales inbox. Next, locate the Sales inbox from the dashboard. You may find it within the main navigation bar or as a tab. Just click on it to open. The Sales inbox is an integrated email feature within Pipedrive that lets you manage your communications with contacts directly. In the Sales inbox, look for the button or link that says New Email and click on it. This will open a Composer window, just like any email client. Now, instead of composing a new email, you're going to set up a reusable template. So, on this page, look for an option that states something like Choose Template. Clicking this option will open a template library or a space where you can manage your templates. After accessing the template section, you may see a button to create a new template. Click on that, and you'll usually have a blank text editor in front of you. This is where you design your template. Think about the kind of communications you often send. Maybe it's a welcome email for new clients or a follow-up message. Type out the content and remember that templates should be flexible, but keep them professional and informative. Once your template looks good, don't forget to save it. There should be a Save button or something similar that lets you store your template for future use. Give it a recognizable name so you can easily find it whenever needed. And that's it. You've just created a template in Pipedrive. With this in place, you'll be able to save time and maintain consistency every time you send out an email. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy templating!